ሰላም ጋይዞች አክሱም ጌምስ ነኝ። በአዲሱ የኢትዮጵያ ቨርዥን ማለት ነው አዳዲስ ብዙ የተካተቱበት ነገሮች አሉ። ከነሱ መካከል ትንሽ ላሳያችሁ። ጌሙ ገና አልተጠናቀቀም። የምነግራችሁ ነገር ገና አልተጠናቀቀም። ሲጠናቀቅ የመለቀ ይሆናል በእኔ ቴሌግራም ቻናል አክሱም ጌምስ የሚለው። እስከዛ ድረስ ቻናሌን ጆይን እያላችሁ እንድትጠብቁኝ እጠይቃለሁ። ይመቻችሁ። ወደ ቪዲዮ እንለፍ። ማኑ ዱርዬ ማኑ ጋዛ መልክ ተልኳል ተቀበል ስም በለክ ስማ ያላወቀን ልፋራቢ ቪአውሳይድ በከተማ ብለን ዝንት መሪ ጀማል ለጉኔ ይመቸንም ጅለት ስንገናኛ ትርበትበት ኒግ ኪፒኮ አናስተናግድ ጀርታን ከዚ ጋር ተቱ
Peter Drury, and I'm happy to inform you that Jim Beglin has joined me to offer his expertise.
Thanks, Peter. It's a pleasure and a privilege for me to be here.
So, welcome to a new season. Last year certainly had its fair share of drama, perhaps too much for the taste of certain individuals here, as hopes of promotion vanished on the last day. But there's no time to dwell on those disappointments and think about what might have been. The only thing's on their minds now to go one step better this time. Stays in the starting 11, no surprise there I don't think.
Well, there's a very good chance of goals in this one.
Of all the grand stadia in world football, none more impressive than this. The crowd wait to offer them a red-hot welcome. So the two starting lineups. The scene is set, we are ready to go.
Well, down the years there have been some fabulous Brazilian playmakers, but John Mina is certainly a part of that company.
He is a player with a vivid imagination, a wonderful creative brain.
እንደምትመለከቱት ጋይስ የአዲስ አበባ ስታዲየም ሙሉ ለሙሉ እየተጠናቀቀ ይገኛል። አሪፍ ይሆናል ብዬ አስባለሁ። ብዙ የተሻሻሉ ነገሮች ያሉበት የኢትዮጵያ ፕሪሚየር ሊግ እንዲመስል አድርጌ ነው የሰራሁት። እንደምትወዱት ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ።